Want to disable sleep mode on your iPhone? Here's how to turn it off in seconds. Sleep mode is part of focus modes on iPhone. When it's enabled, it silences notifications and dims your lock screen. To turn it off quickly, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Look for the focus button. If sleep mode is active, you'll see sleep highlighted. Tap on it. Now tap sleep again to turn it off. That's it. Sleep mode is now disabled. If you want to disable it from settings, open settings, tap focus, tap sleep. Here you can. Turn it off manually. Adjust the schedule. Disable sleep schedule completely. If sleep mode keeps turning on automatically, it's probably scheduled. To fix that, go to settings, then tap focus, tap sleep, and turn off the schedule toggle. And that's it. That's how you disable sleep mode on iPhone. If this helped, like the video and subscribe.